Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My dear student, I hope you all are fine. Now your science class time. Week 9. Chapter is Heat and Matter. My dear student, we will discuss this chapter in previous lecture. Today our assignment is answer the following question. First question is, prove that heat transfer from hot bodies to the cold bodies. You write the answer. Heat is form of energy which is transferred from a hot body to a cold body, and this process continues till the temperature of both the bodies become the same. Let's see the experiment related to this topic. Take an iron rod, holding it with tongs, heat strongly and dip it in cool water kept in a beaker. Now take out the rod and by dipping a finger in water, check the temperature of water. It is a little hot now. Touch the rod and feel that it is less hot now. And the result of this experiment is, we conclude from this experiment that when a hot rod was dipped in cold water, the heat of rod transferred to the water. Thus the temperature of the water has increased and that of the rod decreased. Okay, my dear student. This experiment shows that heat is transferred from hot bodies to cold bodies because rod temperature is high and water is cold. So the hotness of rod transfer into the water. So prove that heat transfer from hot bodies to cold bodies. Okay, my dear student. Now move the next question. Your next question in your assignment is, how does heat affect solids? Give example for everyday life. And answer of this question is, when we heat a solid, it becomes bigger. We say it is expanded. When we allow the solid to cool, it contracts to become smaller. For example, telephone and electric cable are loosely stretched on pole in summer so that they may not snap in winter due to contraction. Number 2, railways are laid with a little gap between the rails. The gap allows the rails to expand on a hot day. Without these gaps, the expanding rail would push against each other and bend. Okay, my dear student. Now move the next question of your assignment. Explain by the activity, when a metal wire is heated, its length increase. You write the answer. Wrap tightly one end of metal wire around the nail and attach strongly the other end of a wire to a clamp of a stand. Keep the nail suspended so that it may swing freely without touching the top of the table. Now heat the wire by the candle. After some time, the nail touched the table top. Why did it so happen? It is clear that due to heat, the length of wire increase. Now move the next question, and next question is, write the common uses of heat. And answer is, we use heat in many ways. Our wet clothes dry up due to heat. We cook our food and boil water with the help of heat. We use heat to warm ourselves in winter. Okay, these all are the uses of heat. Now move the next question of your assignment. And next question is write some source of heat. And answer is sun, fire, bulb, rubbing objects, iron, heater. These all are a source of heat. Okay, my dear student. I hope you all are understand the work of your assignment. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.